Good morning, everybody. We are going to get some breakfast. I had a really hard time sleeping last night. My lower back was just killing me. I'm really hungry and I just want some breakfast. So we're going to a cafe to try to see if I can get some breakfast. Because, yeah, I think Callum knows where we are. Yeah. Wow, we're gonna get breakfast.
Baum. Noch ein Baum. Sonne. Wo ist der schreiende Keller mit meinem?
Well, this just looks lovely. I got eggs on a piece of bread with mozzarella and tomato, and I'm so excited because this is totally, it looks so good. It's just the cutest little thing. Callum's watching the big boys. He's playing with the big boys.
Is he gonna destroy it or not?
I don't know. He's getting closer and closer. He just wants to hang out. And there he goes. These little boys, they have a bottle and they're filling the bottle with rocks. And I don't know what Callum's doing, but he's got the top of the bottle. He is so cute.
That's the natural ranking. Callum's playing with leftovers.
Yeah, he's the little guy. Yeah, he's the youngest. It's okay, you're gonna have a little sister in a few months and you'll be the oldest. You'll set the rules that mommy allows you to set. But in our family, I'm the boss.
Yeah, come on.
I'm the boss.
You ain't the boss.
Yeah, I am.
Callum is.
No, he's not. This boy knows what he wants. That's for darn sure. Ooh, look at you, Roman.
Was machst du Make-up?
Whoa!
Ja, ist sie auf? Ist sie auf?
He's like, no, help me up.
You always want two hands.
I know. He's like, Papa, I don't know what you're doing.
Nein, genau, das will ich nochmal. So, jetzt bauen wir das so. So, man muss da rein, warte, einfach nur nach Farben bauen. Oh oh. Oh oh, nochmal.
Ja.
Nochmal. Ja, dann bauen wir es nochmal. Bringst du mir Klötze? Dann bringen wir mal ein paar Klötze, dann können wir den hochbauen. Boah, sollen wir die auch drauf bauen? Oh oh. Guck mal, der wird schon wieder schief. Wie kann das sein?
Nein,
Ja, dann muss dein Auto.
Flugzeug.
Da oben ist dein Auto, genau.
Streetcar. Was noch? Da ist eine Bowl.
Da, eine Kugel. Kugel. Eine Kugel.
Sag mal Hallo bitte, dann dass ich dich verstehe.
Die Kugel.
Ja, genau. Tschüss. Yeah. Goodbye.
Sag,
Bye bye. Bye bye.
sag Tschüss, Callum.
Tschüss.